my channel. So I have created this look over here for all my pretty girls who were asking for a makeup tutorial. So yeah, this is how the look turned out, and you'll see my review and everything on that. Let me just do that model thingy because why not? So if you want to see how I created this face, then please continue watching. Good boys, good boys. Okay. Romu, you gotta be quiet. Go, go, go. So, तुम कर लो पहले. तुम कर लो. तुम कर लो. Okay, so I then thought of just using. Baby, please don't eat my makeup, baby. कहाँ से लाऊंगी और मैं? This one is not behaving himself. Like this one. हाँ, अभी कैमरा देख के एकदम सीधे हो गए तुम. Okay, so I basically wanted to do a first impression of this eyeshadow palette, and if you saw my story on Instagram yesterday, you know what happened. I will just give you a gist. I was in the middle of shooting a tutorial and I had a really bad panic attack. Like, I just couldn't stop crying, and I was just in a very bad zone and I had to stop it because I really pushed myself yesterday to just get up and get going, and I really tried, but it just couldn't happen. So yeah, but then it's a new day and it's a new chance, and yeah, so basically I have already tried this palette yesterday, and I have a lot, like, it's not a brand new palette in the market. It's something that I bought recently and I haven't used, but since so many of you were asking for a makeup tutorial, so here I am. But as you know, there are so many other videos जिसमें मैंने अपना बेस वगैरह सब किया हुआ है. So I've already put my base on and I'm just going to do my eyes here in front of you, and I want to do a full-on glam kind of thing cause this palette is all about that. And yeah, as you've read by the title, it is the Huda Beauty Desert Dusk palette. Now, oh my god, I mean, I know it's not something new. A lot of you already have this, a lot of you have tried this. Can we just take a moment and just look at the packaging of it? I mean, wow. And it comes with a mirror. That is the best thing, and it comes with a very good quality mirror. And then there is this eyeshadow protector, which is also so pretty, so pretty. And these are the shades. Like, I have already tried this palette yesterday, and I am just gonna, I wouldn't do exactly what I did yesterday. I will just go with the flow. Like, I haven't decided anything, but yeah, I know I'm gonna do something related to lilac purple cause I'm feeling like it. Guys, I'm having pineapple. Pineapple, guys, pineapple. Ah! Ooh! I This is where I'm gonna leave it. I found the sweet spot where to stop the. Yeah, I like it. Okay. So basically the plan is thopda to you've seen me doing, and please don't cringe because I'm talking and eating, but Alexa, next, please. I'm gonna start using this color and I'll just put it all over my crease, lid, everywhere. I'll just use it as a powder. This is the shade Desert Sand, and yeah, so as I said, I tried this yesterday. So there is fallout, like इधर palette पे fallout होगा. Like, if you can see, I just like, what? Oh my god, this is complicated. I just touched it and सी या दिस एग्जैक्टली. सो प्रॉब्लम कोई नहीं है, फॉल आउट सिर्फ यहाँ पर हो रहा है. लाइक देयर वुड बी नो फॉल आउट व्हाटसोएवर ऑन माई स्किन एंड दैट इज़ व्हाई आई हैव ऑलरेडी डन माई फुल फेस एंड आई एम सिटिंग विद इट. तो ये बहुत ही आई लव दिस थिंग, लाइक मतलब बिकॉज दीज शेड्स आर सो हाईली पिगमेंटेड एंड देर आर सो मतलब एकदम झिंटा कलर्स, बट amazing. It's like amaze balls. This palette is bomb.com. So I am doing nothing. I'm just creating a clean canvas to, you know, just paint my eyes because this is literally my skin color. The next color would be this boy Eden here. This is a burnt peachish color. And I'm taking it. यार देखो यहाँ पे प्रोडक्ट का फॉल आउट हो रहा है, बट अभी मैं लगा लेती हूँ. I'll show you guys. And I'm thankful कि ये मिरर है, अदरवाइज मेरा तो बैंड बच जाता. What did you think? Naughty. I'm putting this boy Eden on my crease. Just putting this color on my crease and coming closer to you so that you can see there is no fallout whatsoever. No fallout at all. And yeah, I have a lot of acne right now. I am PMSing. I'm about to get my charms. TMI, sorry, but yeah, because there's so much breakout happening, yaar. I'm going to take the shade Saffron here, which is like a deep maroon kind of shade. Let me just come a bit closer to you guys. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is मैं इसको सिर्फ अपने outer like crease पे और lid पे लगाऊंगी, just here, okay, very lightly. And whenever you're putting eyeshadow, you can always like build it up. थोड़ा light handedly start करो, then build it up, cause it is easier to build the color up rather than like toning it down, if you know what I mean. So take it slowly. If you think you need more color, then just add it, but it gets difficult to tone the color down if you go ooh. I just swallowed it once and man, that's what I was talking about in my last video. The makeup tutorial, yaar, yellow eyes, something. Huda Beauty is killing with her eyeshadow game. That's what I love about it. So now slightly with a very light hand, I'm holding my brush from here. I'm taking it crease par.
And I swear guys, like there is literally no fallout.
Wow.
अब क्या करना है? Good question. Where is my brush, bro? Yeah.
I'm going to take this brush. It's a clean brush. And I'm going to take the shade Eden. This shade, this boy here. And I'll take halka sa ye color and then I'll just blend everything out so it doesn't look patchy. I'm falling out of words. So I haven't used anything either. Nothing, cause we're gonna use a shimmer shadow there. So we'll see what we're gonna do. We'll figure it out. Again, taking the saffron, the maroonish shade, and tapping it all over, making the color dark again. Now this is again a clean brush, and I'm just gonna blend it out without taking any shadow. Just blending out everything. So as I said, I want to do something purpley, जो अभी तक तो नहीं लग रहा होगा आपको, but just calm down. This beautiful purple shade here, which is amethyst, and I'm taking a flat brush and I'll take this color. This color is so beautiful. This is a very pretty color. In case you're wondering, all my makeup brushes are from Shein, and I'm sorry to mention it because I know it hurts. मुझे भी बहुत बुरा लग रहा है. Now, अब इस color को I'm putting it in my inner corner और outer corner पे. अभी भी हम lid को touch, like this area I am not touching it. I'm taking that fluffy brush, clean brush, and I'm blending everything out, but still not touching my lid area, okay? So now it's time for the decision. So I'm really confused between Twilight and Retrograde because just look. I'll show you the swatches. So if you know that she mentioned that I think Celestial, Twilight and Retrograde are the shades जो खुद like अकेले से वो बस shade toppers हैं. You can use it with a matte eyeshadow इसमें से and then you can put it. It's not something that you can use all by itself without a glitter glue. So देखते हैं क्या use करते हैं cause Retrograde is like that dual chrome, but I think Twilight, I'm so confused. So अब ये जो मैंने lid छोड़ा था इसके लिए I'm gonna take the shade Royal, which looks something like this. Oh my god, I am excited. Like I didn't do this yesterday. So well, there's always a silver lining. कल नहीं आता maybe मुझे idea जो होता है.
Oh my god. I just touched the eyeshadow once. It's so beautiful. It is so beautiful. I wish I could kiss Huda Beauty right now.
Man, just so gorgeous. I want to cry.
There is no frigging fallout. अब तो glitter लगा रही हूँ यार, अच्छी बात है टचवुड भाई. And now it is time for the Twilight.
Let's do this, guys. Are you excited?
क्या कहूँ मैं मतलब?
Taking a clean brush and blending it all out. I'm taking it very light-handedly because I don't want कि ये shimmer fade हो जाए.
I got an idea. So I'm taking the shade Cosmo, which is right here. I'm going crazy today. Okay, so now there will be fallout. Now there is a fallout because obviously it's like pressed glitter. I don't mind this fallout. I'll just tap it off with my brush.
Super से भी ऊपर glam हो गया है ये, and before this sits, I'm gonna take my fluffy brush and फटाफट. No fallout. No fallout. Taking another precise brush. I'm taking Nefertiti. Okay, this shade here. This. By the way, I'm putting saffron on my lower lash line if you're wondering. Taking another precise brush and taking the purple shade. Just gonna repeat it. Okay, so I'm back with the falsies and I did my hair as well, and yeah, that's about it. I put my lashes and I'm back, which took me around half an hour, 45 minutes because I suck at putting lashes. I cannot. I was blabbering all this while and the camera was not, and it wasn't recording. What is wrong with me? What I basically did, I used my Kiko eyeshadow stick, which is in the shade number 16. It's a purple shade, and I just put it on my waterline. If you can see, like, I'm sorry guys, I didn't know it wasn't recording. What is wrong with me? Like, I'll just redo it, reapply it a little bit. The new blush as well, and I applied it. पूरी बातें कर के मैंने बकवास कर करके पूरा ब्लश लगा दिया, सब बता दिया क्या करना है मुझे. मैं आधी बातें कोल्डप्ले के बारे में कर चुकी हूँ, and it wasn't recording at all. But ये तो मुझे बताना है because it's very important. And I was in the final dancing. Yeah. I was saying. So what I was saying. Okay, I'll say it again. I'll say it again. तुम लोग इतना insist कर रहे हो तो फिर मैं बता देती हूँ क्या बात है. तो मैं ये बोल रही थी कि so I applied this sugar mini blush in the shade number 01 Peach Peak. It's a new blush. This is the first time I used it, and अभी मैंने बकवास करते करते पूरा यूज़ कर लिया and बता दिया कि ये बहुत अच्छा blush है, and it wasn't recording guys. I'm sorry, but मैं फिर से कर रही हूँ आपके लिए. ज़्यादा हो गया है अब. but it's okay. We're going with that desert, dusky, bronzy vibe. So what I was saying was, I am not a concert person. That is just very random yarn. I'm not a concert person. I don't like places that are too crowded. But Coldplay, I'm obsessed with Coldplay. Like, I love Coldplay, and it's one concert that is on my bucket list. Like, I really want to attend it, and inshallah I will someday. Love it.
Hoops were shouting my name, but I decided not to wear hoops because मुझे नहीं चाहिए कि तुम लोग मेरे hoops देख देख के मुझे गाली दे दो और बोलो कि because I just wear hoops all the time and I still wanted to, but I was like, you know what, I'm gonna try something else.
The Huda Beauty Medusa in my collection, which is like a very pale purple, and I was like, that would be perfect with the vibe. It's a very pale purple, so with all the drama going on the eyes, I always like to do one thing. अगर मैं eyes loud कर रही हूँ, then I would like to keep my lips very nude and muted and
You know, नहीं, दोनों जगह ड्रामा नहीं चलेगा, एक ही जगह चलता है. इधर चलेगा कि इधर चलेगा, that you have to decide.
let's put the highlighter. So now let's see if we can use something as a highlighter. I think we're going to use Nefertiti.
Ooh, I like it.
So it has those glitter chunks, which I don't mind, but if you mind, then you can totally use any other highlighter. But I'm going so extra today. Can you see it? I mean, wow. Like, this palette is a thumbs up from my side. Take this shame shade. Same shade. Shame shade.
Gotta highlight it. Ooh, mommy.
Okay, so guys, this is how the look turned out. I personally love it, absolutely love it. And if you guys liked it too, then please let me know in the comment section below. And yeah, just give me your suggestions and feedback on which kind of looks you want to see after this. And this was the whole, I know that this is like too much for the situation, nobody's going out. I'm just gonna like literally just wash my face and go back to bed. But yeah, I wanted to try a full-on glam makeup because it's been a while. Like, I don't even remember the last time I put like makeup like this. I will see you next time.